once I was done installing all these new parts, I used a pressure brake bleeder and did a complete system flush of the brake fluid. We start in the rear on the right side, then we go to the rear left side, then we go to the front right side, and we finish up on the front left in that sequence. And we want to come back when we're halfway through to make sure we're not getting low on fluid. If you get low on fluid and suck air, then you got to start all over again. So that's very important. Never let this run out of fluid. These are the components I use. These are the components that I offer on my website. This is a pressure bleeder tank with a gauge and the correct cap that goes on these MLs. And then I include this capture bottle. Now, I do have brake fluid available, but I don't offer it in the kit because that requires ground shipping. If you buy my W163 ML brake flush kit, these are the two things that you'll receive. And you're looking at this and you're thinking, well, Kent, why do I need this? Let me show you. There's two reasons why I developed this brake fluid capture bottle. That's what I call it, my capture bottle. Number one is the size. You can do a full four-wheel flush without having to dump it out. So, you know, if you maybe an inch per wheel, you're going to get right up into here, and that just saves time. Just go wheel to wheel to wheel. It's got a hook on it, of course, you can hang it. But number one is this little pre-chamber here. You can see the small pre-chamber before it overflows that chamber and goes down in the bottom. And I know you're, well, what's the big deal about that? You're looking at the big deal about that. Look, here's old fluid, here's new fluid. So when you have the pressure built up in the master cylinder, it's forcing fluid through this hose into here. As soon as this runs clear, and you can really tell the difference here. This is the original fluid, this is the new fluid, just completed this flush on this ML320. As soon as you see this, you can close off the bleeder fitting and you're done with that wheel. That's why I use this bottle here.